Well, so stayed 2 months, observed, of course, you must have studied the environment and the business opportunities and all that. And all of a sudden, just decided that I'll sell my fortune and move to Dubai, or there was a rationale behind it?
There's obviously, I am a pretty spiritual guy, so everything needs to click. First of all, I need to have right vibes. Uh, I spent a bit of time here, like 2 months. Okay, I started one small project, it had success. Then I kept growing and I kept transferring uh, my fortune from different countries to here, and now it's head office for me. And so there was rational. Rational is, for example, I'm an international businessman. So I prefer there's the 2030. I've always had a goal, like, 10 years ago, I wrote something and put, which is still in my pocket, that what I need to achieve till 2030. So in line with that vision, I felt this is the best place because 200 nationalities. So imagine the ease if I set up a business, any business, real estate, IT, electric bikes, anything to do with renewable energy. So I started here, and then because I'm bang in the middle of everything, I can expand into 200 different countries because people from those nationalities are present here and they are all top notch people. So, uh, we're thinking about. um Not thinking, actually, we're planning about expanding into Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Africa, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. All these people, I don't have to go to their countries to do discussions or online discussions. They are present here. And there are some of the youth. So if you imagine the top people all over the world, and those top people normally come here for their holiday or to do business. So I don't have to do it. It reduces my time. I have to go and contact people there. Everyone is here. You go to one of the events, you will meet some top people. So the rationale was there already, that I have to expand into. I didn't even imagine this many countries, by the way. But actually, Dubai gave me the idea that you can actually expand into over 150 countries. So that was, and then it's modern. You have technology. I can order stuff in within 5 minutes. It will be delivered to me. Ease of doing business, taxation, hiring people. So it's bang in the middle as well. If you look at one side is East, where sometimes, talk about India, Pakistan, good for businesses, but high risk as well. On the West, if you go towards UK, I think it's sometimes there are too many rules and too many laws, and you can't work openly. This is bang in the middle, so I can have my freedom, as well as there are certain laws which support you and support my investors as well as my employees and customers. So that was the reason. It was a quick decision, but I think the best decision I've made yet.
Wonderful. Coming back to Irina, having such a rich experience in real estate investments and investment banking as such, and then in the energy and in the technology space, uh, how did you find your sweet spot in Dubai, and how was it for you in the very beginning, and what was the process?
So I can only underline this positive attitude in United Arab Emirates regarding innovations. So the German engineering or European engineering is very well known, but the countries are not so big. And also when I overlook solar energy or wind energy, this market is actually full, but it doesn't work so well in Germany because we had 2 days ago 17 degrees Celsius, and when you go to Middle East, when you go to Africa, you have absolutely greater opportunity for solar energy. So Germany is a country number one, or was long time number one in exporting machinery and so on. So in Dubai, it's very interesting that the people are open. They are open for new technology, for blockchain, for all kind of innovative banking, space, human health, everything what is most innovative in the world you can present in United Arab Emirates. And also I can confirm the words regarding local people. I'm since 3.5 years in United Arab Emirates, but I'm already working with royal offices, Sheikhs of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and it's really easy access when you are bringing good business to them. Also, I'm traveling a lot. I'm going to a lot to Africa, and I'm happy that I receive support from United Arab Emirates to these countries. And also I'm learning from people like Mr. Meer, who is multi branches millionaire and entrepreneur. That I also work in different directions, and also Saudi Arabia is also very interesting country in this region. I'm very happy, and I'm also now I'm back to Germany for my summer break, and I'm meeting with German companies, with German businessmen, and they are very interested to set up their business in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So I think I will bring many interesting companies, especially in technology or in innovation, to United Arab Emirates.